But it's a relief for the Pakistani team.
Oh, that's a beauty, right? Nick gone up in the air. Oh, there's an edge, I think, and he's walking. Na'Man once again picks up a wicket. Partnership is...
As the noise always given him. Stubbs goes up straight away, which tends to suggest that there's no...
That's close.
Yeah, it's a straight delivery and position with a terrific effort. Comes down the track as well. Catch it is the call, and is that taken? That's a great catch. Edge, beautifully taken. Nice soft hands in the slips. Salman Ali out.
Oh, this time he tries to be aggressive, but I don't think the ball was in the right area. Oh, wicket. It's almost like Virat Mulder. It was been gone. And straight away, the change in field, change in tactic. Oh, bowling! Na'Man Ali produces an absolute jaff.